Welcome to Teletemp Cooling and Heating. We know it can be a little bit perplexing trying to figure out which company to hire. And of course, we all want to hang on to our money. But before you do anything, make sure you get the facts. Make sure you know which HVAC company you're dealing with, and make sure that they have good mechanics who know exactly how to service your units. Teletemp's been around for 25 years. We have the best mechanics in the industry. We're all trained to be nice, courteous, and of course knowledgeable. Call Teletemp Cooling and Heating today to get your free quote.